If you think the world will run out of games to entertain and astound us all, you're severely mistaken. Game developers just keep pumping them out for consoles and for mobile games. Are we itching to get our hands on them? Of course we are. In fact, we have our list of top 5 Android and iOS games to play this year. But before we commence this countdown, don't forget to tap that bell icon, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to ScoopFed TV for more videos just like this. Okay, roll the clip. Now let's get on with our top 5. Number 5, CarX Drift Racing 2. Even the game's description in the App Store comes with a warning. Beware the danger of addiction. And they would be right, because as soon as we began playing, it took a lot of prodding and spoon throwing to get us away from the smartphone screen. Yeah. This is the sequel of the most desired drift game. There's new game modes for you to experience. In addition, you're now free to do visual auto-tuning and improved performance tuning. Enjoy your club racing and multiplayer competitions against real people from all over the world. Number 4, Beach Buggy Racing 2. Much like the number 5 game on this list, Beach Buggy Racing 2 is the sequel to the first mobile game, Beach Buggy Racing. The game promises more power-ups, more drivers, and more racetracks. You can also join the Beach Buggy Racing League to compete against drivers and cars from everybody around the globe. Number 3, Danger Close Online FPS. Bro. If you're looking for tactical gunplay, decent and proper map design topped with a healthy progression system, then Danger Close Online FPS might be the answer to your wishes. The developers were gracious and gave us a large selection of weapons, skins, and grenades to choose from. The game features 8 maps in various locations, included and not limited to doing battle in the midst of a bank heist, alien planets, or islands festering with pirates. You can help your team conquer the classic team deathmatch, or go solo in the free-for-all mode. The developers are also promising a battle royale coming soon. Excited yet? Number 2, Creation War. Creation War is coming to Android and iOS, an action TPS game that's all set to knock our hats off. You can take regular routes and revel in the pleasure of discovering hidden levels. Use a variety of firearms and accessories to carry out customs clearance. The game also has hooks, 2-segment jumps, and flying airbags. And like most shooting games available in the market, you can also take part in a PvP level, team up and fight in a big battlefield, the works. Number 1, BENDY and the Ink Machine. 2018 saw the rise of a game that has everybody brewing with even more curiosity for what other creations lie in Joey Drew's studio. Yes, the massively trending game BENDY and the Ink Machine is now available for play on mobile devices. Now you can follow Henry Stein's journey on mobile as he navigates through a haunted studio and battles ink monsters. It's a first-person puzzle action survival horror game with a riveting storyline and mind-boggling conflicts and resolutions. Get your fill of a unique cartoony atmosphere too. Go ahead and play it and come back to tell us how you felt right after. Winky face. And because there are too many games that are out there and are too beautiful to pass up, we can't help but throw in a bonus. And here it is. Utopia Origins, playing your way. Wake up to a world as beautiful as heaven. Your guide Shasha will be there to welcome you to Utopia Land, the land of Bea. Your adventure starts when you take the manual and follow Shasha's tips to stay alive. Build your house well to avoid the little demon and the skeleton soldier. You can ride dragons too, but you need to tame ponies first. Otherwise, if you can't quiet a pony, how the hell do you expect to ride a dragon? And when you go hunting for treasure, keep in mind that danger lurks nearby, guarding it zealously. What can we say? This lovely piece of art never ceases to take our breath away. So kudos to Utopia Origins game developers. Do you have any favorite games you'd like to share? What do you think about our picks? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Stay tuned to ScoopFed TV to get all the latest tech updates and lists just like this. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.